Hello guys, this is Rivman, just call me River. Alright, welcome back to Rivman in 80s Land. Splatoon! Alright, I have MG and we got a new guest that is named, drumroll please, Little D. Alright, let's carry on. Alright, I've been begging my parents to get this. They're like, oh, don't get it, don't get it. They're complaining about not getting it, but I was really begging them. So let's look at the back right here. Looks like this kid is having fun, splatting ink and slime out of there. Look at the dad, he's not too happy. He doesn't want any ink on the floor. Alright, so it comes with 2 ink tanks and it comes with goggles and it also comes with a mini splatter shot right here. It doesn't come with it, but they can have it. Yeah, they could have one, but it has 2 different ink tanks. The purple, no, or it could be hot pink, and green. See, we have the characters right down there. They look so cool. Let's get opening. All right. Yeah. Whoa. Here's the ink. Let me get the ink out. Let me get the 2 ink tanks. And then these. Splatoon characters. And then these are the goggles. And then that's the splat. What's it called? The splatter shot? Yeah, splatter shot. It says it straight on the box. Alright, so here are the 2 ink tanks. It comes with blue and orange. Alright, we need scissors here. Let me just see if I can get this. Okay, I can't. This is trouble. I'll just get the goggles as soon as I can, because I want to be a part of Splatoon. Ooh, do I got it? I have to. I have to. No stinking way. Alright, I got the goggles. Let me take off my glasses. It says on the bottom, shake well before use. So I'm just going to shake it for a little. This bottle says shake it, so I'm going to shake it. Alright. I think that's enough. Maybe just a little bit more. That's good. Alright, that's good. It's me, Mario. That's a Splatoon. Alright, so I picked this color because I really, really, really love blue. I got the cap off. Let's get it. Let's get it loaded. Alright, you have to press this red button and then it'll unlock it. Lift this out a little. Whoa! That's Splatoon action. This takes a lot of strength. Ooh! Oh no, I got Commando! Sorry, Commando. Whoa! Wait! I want to shoot Slimer. No, don't shoot Slimer, please. I want to shoot him. Please don't. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Got it. No. I got the aim. No. Got him. I got his teeth. River. So, this was a really fun toy, and it has a really heavy trigger, and it's hard to cock the gun, and it was really fun. I liked shooting it, and it was like really cool. I loved getting it. MG? I agree. It was very hard to do the trigger and pop it, and then it's kind of confusing, but it was really fun. But before I finish what I'm about to say, you have to say sorry. Say sorry to who? Say sorry to Slimer. Sorry, Slimer! Alright, and that's it from MG and Ribman.